Okay, so the shortcuts in Blender are very important. So let's try and learn some of the most important ones. So if you want to change the different viewport angles, just press the wave button on your keyboard and that opens the pie menu, or you can press the numpad keys on your keyboard. If you want to change the different viewports of shading that I've showed you right here, just press Z and it opens another pie menu, so I can go from wireframe to solid to material preview to rendered. So that's the shortcut for that, so just press Z. If I want to search for something specific, I'll just press F3 on the keyboard and type in what I'm currently searching for. So now let's go to the shortcuts for movements again. So now press G to move the object if you want to move it on the axis, as I've showed you right now. So right here, so press G and X, G and Y, and G and Z. Same for the scale. So S and Y, S and X, S and Z. For rotation, so R and X, R and Y, and R and C. If I want to select an object and if I want to start to model it, just click on it, press Tab and press A to select everything. And to know the difference when you're in object or edit mode, you'll notice right here or by these black lines around the object. So for modeling shortcut extrude, just select an object, go to edit mode, for example, select this top face, and if I press E and Z for an example, you'll notice that from that origin point, it extruded those faces up, and right now I have an edge loop around the origin point from where I started to extrude. So what are loop cuts? So loop cuts are basically edges that go around the faces of our object. So by scrolling with the mouse wheel, I can increase or decrease the number of loop cuts that I want. And if I want to offset the loop cut, so I need to press Shift, Control, and R, and you'll notice that that offsetted the loop cut. To bevel an object, just select it, and for example, if I want to bevel the object, so just select the edge by pressing 2 on the keyboard, now press Control B, and if I want to increase the number of loops around that bevel, I'll just scroll with the mouse wheel. So again, scroll up to increase, scroll down to decrease. To inset faces, just press 3 on the keyboard, for example, to select faces, and then press I to inset, and you'll notice it starts from the origin point of that face and moves in. And let's say I'll inset it right here, and now let's just say I'll have an object that has the same amount of faces in X, Y, and Z direction. So I'll just select them and press I. And if I want to set them separately, I'll just press I again. And you'll notice that right now they're separated in the section. And right now, if I select one of those, you'll notice that it made a perfect incision. Now, to subdivide a face, just select it, and then right-click, select Subdivide. And if I want to unsubdivide it, just select the cube, go to edit mode and press A to select everything, and then right click and select unsubdivide. So all of these shortcuts I'll give you as a Blender file so you can keep them. If you get stuck somewhere, you can go back and see them and just remember them, because shortcuts are very important when you're modeling and they increase the speed of your workflow. So hope that helps, and now let's move on with the modeling process.